Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to make tater tots at home. There are dozens of how to make tater tots recipes, but this one is different than most. It's a great recipe for kids' lunchbox and an excellent tea time snack. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. Into a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of potato, boiled and grated, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion leaves, 3 tablespoons of roasted gram powder, some salt. Mix everything until well combined. Roasted gram can be called superfood because of its nutritious value. It's rich in protein, fiber, minerals, very low in calories and rich in iron. My dough is soft, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of roasted gram powder. If you feel that your dough is soft, go ahead and add a tablespoon or 2 of roasted gram powder. This will absorb the moisture. The dough is well combined. Take a portion of this dough in your palm and roll it and shape it into a nugget as shown here. I'll show you one more time. Roll it and shape it into a nugget. Tater tots are ready to be fried. Roll the tot in the breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, take a few bread slices, put them in the blender and use it. Let's keep everything ready. Heat up some oil for frying. Oil should be hot enough. This is very important. Carefully add the tater tots in the oil. When you drop the tots in the oil, it should bubble or else it will break and it will absorb more oil. Do not fry immediately, it will break. Leave it for 30 to 40 seconds, then you can fry. This will be done in 3 to 4 minutes. Fry until golden brown. Tater tots are ready. Take them off the pan and place them on a paper towel. These are best served immediately. Really great texture.